to my channel. My name is Tina, and today we're gonna play with this little Smashbox set that I got. I'm on really light makeup right now because I did my everyday makeup look. The great thing about it is, because I just used this shadow for my base, if you actually need to go somewhere afterwards, you've done this look, you can really easily pop this look right up and do that. So we're gonna do that right now, using this Smashbox set right here. This one is in Holy Crop. It has 3 shades in here. There's a deep crease shade, and then 2 shimmers, a nice light shimmer for your inner corner and brow bone, and then like a lid shimmer in a beautiful burnt orange. And we're just gonna use those and see how they work out. So I'm just gonna grab the crease shade and put it on a crease brush. Please keep in mind, I've already put down a base shade in a nude. If you don't put it down, this probably wouldn't blend very well. These blend like a dream. The only time I've had a problem with their eyeshadows and that I haven't been as happy is with like their Christmas sets sometimes. And that's like with almost every brand. I take issue with the Christmas sets. So I'm just blending that out really well. I'm just gonna take a flat shader brush and use the orange that's in here. And it is a stunning orange in Oxford. And I'm gonna put that across the lid. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, it's just, I am always in awe of what Smashbox can do with just a couple shadows. And then we're just gonna take Lingerie. And we're gonna do the inner corner. And it is absolutely stunning. Now Smashbox has like a bunch of these 3-pan palettes like this. And I gotta tell you, if I had the money, I would buy every single one. I love this formula. It's just amazing. For my lower lid, I'm just gonna take Miss Chew, which is this brown down here, and bring that in a little bit. And then take the Oxford color, which is the orange, and put that in the center of my eye down here. And then I'm going to take a really little brush and a little bit of the L'Orange and some setting spray and do my inner corner. And that is it. I love this palette. I mean, this is kind of a review of this palette because I hadn't used it before. Love it. I'm so glad I got it. I had to break my no-buy for it. I'm not sad. It's super, super pretty and so easy to use. And because it is 3 shades, you don't have to worry about going and figuring out which ones you want to use. I'm just going to put on a little bit more blush, and I'm going to use Towel. And then I'm going to take a little bit of these blush toppers I have here, and I'm going to use that really orange one and just put that across my cheekbone right there, like below where your normal highlight goes but above your blush, sort of. Just going to take that yellowy one and highlight with it because it is stunning. Alright, so I didn't do any contouring. The one thing I do like to have if I'm going out, most people are like, want to contour their cheeks. For me, it's my jawline. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to put on some lashes. Oh, no. Seriously? Okay, so this literally just happened. I literally was just pulling them out, and you can't get it off there. It's holy crap glued down. It just ruined that one. That tearing completely has ruined this lash. There's like no way for me to use it. I don't know what to do now. I love this. I would totally buy more of this. Absolutely a beautiful thing. So when I bought this trio, it also came with this Smashbox lipstick. All right, so this is in Rust Bund. It does match the eyes perfectly. Holy cow. I mean, you can tell when you like, so there's the swatch of that, and here's the swatch of the lipstick. They are, I mean, this swatch has been like hitting my sleeve a whole bunch, so it's been blended a bunch, but look how well those match. And your mixture look just totally come together because they are perfectly matched. So that's awesome. I love this set. I was super glad that I do because I'd have been really sad if I had bought this and hated it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!